Welcome to the Ellipse West Tower Condos at 36 Lee Center Drive, a centrally located condominium building that is walking distance to numerous prime amenities. Unit 808 is a bright, well-maintained one-bedroom condo with a den that enjoys a south-facing exposure with views of the cityscape and a nearby park. Finished with laminate flooring throughout, the open-concept principal spaces feature naturally bright living and dining areas and a kitchen with ample cabinetry storage, a peninsula with a raised breakfast bar, a stainless steel sink, and track lighting, as well as a fridge, stove, and dishwasher. Across from the kitchen is the foyer's mirrored door coat closet and the den, which is carpeted, has a glass panel door for semi-privacy, as well as a double closet, and is also suitable as a bedroom for overnight guests. The dining room has a ceiling fan with fold-down blades that is a chic, modern light fixture when the fan is not in use. And this unit also has a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer next to the 4-piece washroom, which is finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The master bedroom is also carpeted and has a large double closet. And this room, as well as the living areas, enjoy abundant natural lighting year-round through their south-facing windows. This unit comes with one parking space and enjoys proximity to many important amenities such as public transit, places of worship, banks, medical and professional services, restaurants and entertainment, local shopping plazas and the Scarborough Town Centre Mall, the McCowan subway station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. While building amenities include 24-hour concierge and security, storage lockers, a table tennis area and a billiards room, an exercise room, an indoor pool and a sauna, as well as guest suites, while Lee Center Park is just steps from the building's entrance.